Hey, so if you're working on client projects or team tasks, yeah, tracking time properly in Zoho Projects can really help you stay organized and productive. In this guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step. Alright, first, log in to your Zoho account and open Zoho Projects from your app's dashboard. Now, select the project you want to track time for. This is where all your tasks and logs are stored. Inside the project, click on Timesheet. This is where you'll log all your working hours. Click Add Time Entry and select the task you worked on. Now enter how many hours you worked, along with a short description of what you did. This helps keep everything clear. Select the date and choose whether it's billable or non-billable time, depending on your setup. Once everything looks right, click Submit to save your time entry. You can also go to the Reports section to see how much time you or your team has logged across different tasks. And yeah, that's it. Once you start tracking time in Zoho Projects, managing productivity and billing becomes way more accurate and easy.